Hey guys, Joshua here, and today it's going to be a little bit different because we're actually going to be talking to Yuki, and I'll actually let him just go into what he does by himself.
My name is Yuki Ariandi. I'm from Indonesia. I'm based in Singapore. I'm a freelance colorist and freelance editor. I'm also an instructor with the International Colorist Academy. I'm also the Blackmagic Design Master Trainer for DaVinci Resolve. And I built Gundam.
So can you give a brief introduction on the course at Media Asylum that you're working on?
Okay. Today is the second day of one of my course here, one of my class in Media Asylum is actually the introduction to color grading. So it's for people who wants to get the first touch of what color grading is. So we start from the basic up to the advanced level.
What are some of the works that you have actually edited and colored?
I've done a couple for National Geographic. I've done also a few for Discovery Channel, mostly documentary work. I've done TV commercial, music video, and short films. I've done 2 feature film length in Myanmar, and that's about it.
Have you actually tested the PA32UC monitor?
Yes, actually it's a great monitor. It has 100% on Rec 709. It has 1000 nit on HDR, and I've used it to deliver 2 projects of mine for a documentary project, and it looks great.
Why do you think that this is good, and how has it actually helped you to deliver your projects?
First thing, that's the best part of this monitor is the price point. For a starter that you want to start on color grading, this is a good price point. And what helps me is actually it comes with a colorimeter, the i1 Display Pro, and you can calibrate your monitor as often as you want.
How important is color accuracy in your line of work, especially for monitors?
Oh, it's very important because I need to make sure that my monitor is at the 100% accuracy. So what I can tell my clients are, look, my monitor is accurate. So what you need to see is actually what you see on my monitor is what you will see on YouTube, on TV, on your phone, and your tablets.
Is there anything else about this monitor that we should know?
You should buy it.
So who would you recommend this monitor to?
Well, I would recommend for people, at least if they're still looking for a color accurate monitor, this will be one of the consideration for the price point, for the resolution, and for the capability to display HDR in 4K at 1000 nits. I think this is the best monitor you can find in the market.
Okay, that's it for the video. Do let me know your thoughts on this monitor. I'll also be checking it out in a review later on. And yeah, getting to know a monitor through a professional colorist's eyes is really very different from if, say, you're a normal consumer using it. So I really hope that this would help those professionals that are wanting to make a decision as to whether to get this monitor or not. So remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers!